What's going on, guys? On today's video, I'm going to show you how to boost your website speed on WordPress immediately. Just to give you an example, right now on mobile, my website takes about 13.7 seconds to load. So it's going to go from 13.7 to 2.2, which is an incredible page speed increase. Go to your plugins and then download Lightspeed Cache. It has over 3 million installations. I'm going to go through this pretty quickly, so just activate your Lightspeed Cache plugin and let's get started. On the dashboard, you really don't have to do anything, so let's move on. Presets you can ignore. Under the general tab, you're going to go up here, automatically upgrade. You're going to put this on. Domain key, you're going to click generate key. It's automatically going to generate it. You might have to refresh your page. You're fine there. And then might ask you to link to a QIC iCloud. It's also free. Do that. Scroll down, guest mode on, guest optimization on, server IP. You just have to click right here. Click this button. It's going to show you your IP. Copy it, paste it into here. Then notifications, click off, save. Next, you're going to click cache. You're under the cache tab. Make sure that this entire page is on, except cache mobile is going to be off. Save changes. TTL, you're not going to touch. Purge, you're not going to touch. Excludes, you're not going to touch. ESI, nothing. Object, you're going to keep everything the same. For browser, you're going to turn it on. If it's not already, click save changes. Advanced, you're going to do absolutely nothing. We can ignore CDN, go to image optimization. Image optimization summary, just ignore that. Here we click on the next tab. Make sure it's on, off, on. Skip this part. Make sure this is on, click save changes. This next part is extremely important, so pay attention. For CSS settings, make sure your CSS minify is on, CSS combine is on, generate use CSS on. For USS inline, make sure your combine is also on. Load asynchronously CSS on. Make sure your per URL is on. Inline CSS async lib on. And then font display optimization, make sure you click swap, save changes. JavaScript settings, make sure you have JS minify on, then JS combine off, then load JavaScript deferred, save. HTML settings, make sure you have minify on, then prefetch on, then query off, Google Fonts on, remove Google Fonts off, remove WordPress emoji on, remove no scripts off, save. Media settings on, responsive preloader on, this is off, on. VPI ignore, media excludes ignore, localization is next. Make sure that Gravatar is on, Gravatar thing is off, localization off, save. Tuning and this other thing ignore. Click save those changes, and then refresh your page. Check it out. Your page is going to be much faster. Follow me for more. Peace.